Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and this is a swing within a trend example as an aggressive trade type on the short 15-minute time frame. So this is the example that I want to go over today, but of course you can see another two swings occurred here and here, and we'll quickly go over those. But just going over the rules, we've got the overall trend direction displayed as a bidirectional with no more than 3 arrows pointing down for a sell. I'll just put the markers in place here and here. Now this is fairly interesting because you don't usually see a swing trade so close to the trend trade, but of course in this case, trend trade was not valid, but quickly followed by the swing trade. So let's have a quick look. In trading, the trades come out, or the trade setups, in different ways every time. So it's important to be aware of that. So bidirectional market in place. Trend followers turn to red. Yellow moving average is below the slow moving average. Price is equal to or below, in this case, below the the fast moving average. RSI is 50 or below. It's below in this case. The MACD has two, and we need at least two green histogram bars below the zero line, and followed by a red histogram bar below the zero line, which is there making the trade valid. In this case, stops would have only been, well, slow moving average is only about 3 or 4 pips away. So let's say we had it at, say, 10 pips. This was quite a nice clean trade apart from this consolidation area where we could have picked up these additional swings, but nevertheless, it never moved against us. So 10 pips for our stop. We would have achieved, say, our first target here, 10 pips. Actually here, 10 pips, giving us a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. 20 pips here, giving us a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. 30 pips here, 40 pips here, giving us a 4-to-1 reward to risk ratio. 50 pips here, and all the way down to here, 60 pips just here, giving us a 6-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So we risked 10 pips, we gained as much as 60 pips. So looking at another example, say this one here. Okay, once again, bidirectional market in place. Trend followers red. Yellow moving average is below the slow moving average. Price is below, just needs to be equal to or below the fast moving average. RSI is below the 50, it only needs to be 50 or below. And again, we've had two green histogram bars, consecutive histogram bars below the zero line, followed by the red histogram bar giving a swing signal. So in this case, we would have placed our stop. Again, the slow moving average is too close at 4 pips. So say 10 pips, we would have just made that, just survived that stop. And again, we would have made it all the way down here. 50 pips, giving us a 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Even this one here, the very, very last one. Okay, place our markers here. All the criteria is in place again, and again, easily 10 pips would have, never went against us more than like 2 pips in this case. So 10 pips and 20 pips to the downside, giving us a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So again, bidirectional market in place. Trend followers red. Yellow moving average is below the slow moving average or the gray moving average. Price is below the fast moving average. It only needs to be equal to or below the fast moving average. RSI is below 50. It only needs to be 50 or below. And we've had, in this case, 4 consecutive green histogram bars below the zero line, followed by the red histogram bar. It doesn't need to be below the signal line, and we only needed to see 2 here. So a valid trade once again, and that concludes this example for a swing within trend sell trade as an aggressive trade type on the short 15-minute time frame. Till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.